Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Edge. Control-Shift-B equals show or hide the favorites bar. Alt-Shift-B equals set focus on the first item in the favorites bar. Control-D equals save the current tab as a favorite. Control-Shift-D equals save all open tabs as favorites in a new folder. Alt-D equals select the URL in the address bar to edit. Control-E equals open a search query in the address bar. Alt-E equals open the settings and more menu. Control-F equals open find on page. Alt-F equals open the settings and more menu. Control-G equals jump to the next result for find on page. Control-Shift-G equals jump to the previous result for find on page. Control-H equals open history. Control-Shift-I equals open developer tools. Alt-Shift-I equals open the send feedback dialog. Control-J equals open downloads. Control-K equals open a search query in the address bar. Control-Shift-K equals duplicate the current tab. Control-L equals select the URL in the address bar to edit. Control-Shift-L equals paste and search or paste and go if it's a URL. Control-M equals mute the current tab, toggle. Control-Shift-M equals sign in as a different user or browse as a guest. Control-N equals open a new window. Control-Shift-N equals open a new in private window. Control-O equals open a file from your computer in Edge. Control-Shift-O equals open favorites. Control-P equals print the current page. Control-Shift-P equals print using the system dialog. Control-R equals reload the current page. Control-Shift-R equals reload the current page, ignoring cached content. Control-S equals save the current page. Control-T equals open a new tab and switch to it. Control-Shift-T equals reopen the last closed tab and switch to it. Alt-Shift-T equals set focus on the first item in the app bar toolbar. Control-U equals view source. Control-Shift-U equals start or stop read aloud. Control-Shift-V equals paste without formatting. Control-W equals close the current tab. Control-Shift-W equals close the current window. Control-Shift-Y equals open collections. Control-0 equals reset page zoom level. Control-1 2 8 equals switch to a specific tab. Control-9 equals switch to the last tab. Control-Enter equals add www. To the beginning and .com to the end of text typed in the address bar. Control-Tab equals switch to the next tab. Control-Shift-Tab equals switch to the previous tab. Control+ equals zoom in. Control- equals zoom out. Controlled in a PDF equals toggle PDF between fit to page fit to width. Controlled in a PDF equals rotate PDF counterclockwise 90. Controlled in a PDF equals rotate PDF clockwise 90. Control-Shift delete equals open clear browsing data options. Alt equals set focus on the settings and more button. Alt left arrow equals go back. Alt right arrow equals go forward. Alt home equals open your home page in the current tab. Alt F4 equals close the current window. F1 equals open help. F3 equals find in the current tab. F4 equals select the URL in the address bar. Control F4 equals close the current tab. F5 equals reload the current tab. Shift F5 equals reload the current tab, ignoring cached content. F6 equals move focus to next pane. Shift F6 equals move focus to previous pane. Control F6 equals move focus to the web content pane. F7 equals turn browsing on or off. F9 equals enter or exit immersive reader. F10 equals set focus on the settings and more button. F10 enter equals open setting and more menu. Shift F10 equals open context menu. F11 equals enter full screen toggle. F12 equals open developer tools. ESC equals stop loading page, close dialog or pop-up. Spacebar equals scroll down web page, one screen at a time. Shift spacebar equals scroll up web page, one screen at a time. PGDN equals scroll down web page, one screen at a time. Control PGDN equals switch to the next tab. PGUP equals scroll up web page, one screen at a time. Control PGUP equals switch to the previous tab. Home equals go to the top of the page. Move keyboard focus to first item of pane and equals go to the bottom of the page. Move keyboard focus to last item of pane. Tab equals go to next tab. Stop. Shift tab equals go to previous tabs.